Right, this looks complicated, but it isn't. Anna has 10 number cards in her bag, and she's going to take one of the cards at random out. Probability that the number will be a factor of 14 is 3/10. So we need to list the factors of 14, which are 1 and 14, it's a pair, 2 and 7, which is a pair. There are only 3 of those which are under 10, so 1, 2 and 7, which is 3 out of the 10 cards that are in the bag. So we'd have to say something like there are 3 factors of 14 on the cards, and they are 1, 2 and 7. And then we've got a bit of trial and improvement. It says, using the same number cards, complete the sentence below. Probability that the number will be a factor of something is 2/5. So 2/5 is the same as 4/10. So 4 out of the 10 cards need to be a factors of something. So I tried 8, and I was lucky because well, I didn't try 8, I tried 16, and I looked at the factors of 16, which are 1 and 16, and 2 and 8, and 4. So if we look at the ones that are in our list, we've got 1, 2, 4, and 8. So that the probability that the number will be a factor of 16 is 2/5 or 4/10.